So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special, important, beneficial and a very teachable and helpful video for all of them who wanna be a very big person in their life, who want to achieve every goals in their life, who want to be a successful person in their life. Because guys, today I'm gonna talk about a thing which is very important, and without this thing you are not gonna success in your life. And the thing that I am talking about, it is the risks. Yes guys, risks. I know that everyone knows that risks is very important in your life. If you want to be something, if you want to learn something, if you want to have something, then obviously you have to take some risks, because we don't know what's are gonna be in our future, what we will be in our future, what the future are gonna give us. But guys, if you want something new in your future, then you have to take risks. If you are just sitting hand to hand and thinking that, whoa, tomorrow I will do something new, I will start doing hard works, and one day I will be very successful person, but not taking any type of risks, then how it will be? If you are also following the people, your society members, what they are doing, you also have to do the same, then how you can be successful in your life? Just try to understand guys, risks are very important, but I am not talking about the gamblings. Now what is the meaning of gamblings and what is the meaning of risks? Guys, don't worry, I will talk about everything A to Z, why the risks are important, how you can take risks, and why I say that without the risks there is no any success in our life. Just let's start the video guys. In the middle of the video I will tell you a very beautiful short but a very powerful story, and I am sure the story will teach you and the story will understand you the importance of the risks in our life. So let's start the video. Let's go. Try to understand guys, I am not talking about the gambling risks, I am talking about the responsible risks. Risk taking, it doesn't mean just taking a risk and then after taking the risk gambling foolishly. I am talking about the responsible risks. Remember, there are many kind of people, and also there is one kind of people that take some risks in their life, and then after taking those risks they start to praying and hoping to God that, hey God, please give me good results, because I took a very big risk in my life, I invested a very amount of money here, so please give me good and nice profits. If you are doing that you are not taking a risk, it means that you are gambling foolishly. Okay, gambling means when you will take anything risky, and after risky you have no any controls of that work, you have only one thing to do, and it is hoping to God, praying to God. But it is a wrong work guys. Always remember, whenever you will take some risks, then be sure that the risks have all of the controls in your hands. Okay, the examples I'm gonna give you by two things. Okay, just imagine and close your eyes and think about two people. Okay, first think a person who is a mountain climber. Okay, a professional and a very trained mountain climber. And on the other hand, think about a person who don't know and don't have any experience for to climbing mountains. Now what will be? I know that mountain climbing, it is very risky, but for the trained person it is not very risky, because he knows everything about the climbing, how he will climb, what is the thing that you don't have to do, and how he will go upward and downwards. But the person who don't have any experience, what he will do? It means that he took the challenge or took the risk irresponsibly, but it is a very wrong thing. So the moral of the story, it is that if you are a perfect and if you have experience about any way about your work, then only you have to take any risk. risks. Or otherwise, if you don't have any experience, then how it will be? It will everything be like the gambling. So remember my words and try to don't mistake it again. But a very important thing, the person who never attempts anything risky makes no mistakes. Remember my words very not carefully. Taking any risks is often a bigger mistake than taking the risks and failing. The example of the sentence that I told you, I'm gonna give you by a simple and a very motivational story. The story is very important for everyone, so listen the story very carefully. Once upon a time, there was a businessman. The businessman was going through a village, and then when he was walking near a very big field, he noticed a man who was sitting hand to hand in the middle of a very big field. Then the businessman, he was very kind hearted. That's why he went to the farmer and he said to the farmer that, my friend, what happened to you? Why you are sitting here very upsetly, very alone? And then the villager, means the farmer, he looked at the face of the businessman and he did not say anything. At that moment, the businessman, he thought that it might be that the farmer, he would plant some things, but he did not get a good result of his hard work. That's why he asked the farmer that, farmer, did you plant here the wheat? And then the farmer replied that, no, I did not find and I did not plant here the wheat because I was feared and I was very afraid it wouldn't rain. And that moment the businessman, he understood that yes, it is obvious, because if we do a very big hard work, but suddenly if something comes and if the thing destroyed our whole hard work in front of our eyes, that would be more upset thing. So that's why the businessman, he again asked to the farmer, then I am sure that you would plant here the corn. Then again the farmer looked at the village businessman and he said that, oh my brother, no, I did not plant here the corn because I was very afraid from the insects of our village, because whenever we plant any corn related vegetables, all of the insects, they ate and they eat all of and everything. And then the businessman, he understood everything, but he did not tell anything. And then after a few moments, with a curious face reaction, he asked to the farmer, then what did you plant here? And then the farmer, he replied a very interesting thing. Do you know what he replied? He replied, nothing. I was just afraid and there were many problems. That's why, for the afraid and for the fear of the problems, I did not take any risks. But I had many ideas to plant here, but I did not. And this story is in here. This story is very motivational and also a best story that will teach you the importance of the risks in our life. If you want to get something, then obviously you have and you need to do risks. You need to take risks in your life. Don't be like the farmer. What the farmer he did, in every ways he thought about the problems, and for the problems he did not take any type of risks, and he did not take the risks. That's why again and again he failed. Not take any risks, and for this thing he did not get any benefits. So remember it very well. Risk taking is part of life. Many times not taking risks could become the greatest risk. Always remember this sentence. It is very important and beneficial sentence. Not taking any risks could become the greatest risk sometimes. So remember, we people, we don't take risks. We all act like the villager. First of all, if we take any type of work, then first of all starting the work, we think about the low point of the work, means the problems. But remember one thing, psychology says that if when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. But when you will focus on the possibilities, what you can do, you will have more and new opportunities. So remember the story, and I think everyone understood very well why I said risk is very important. In every time, just take some risks, and when you will take some risks, obviously you will get the results of it. And I also took many type of risks, like opening a YouTube channel. I could open this same YouTube channel in a number of types categories, but why I only choose this English learning? Because it is beneficial for me also. Whenever I make some videos, I practice personally. So remember my words and try to be careful. That I also took a very big risk in my life, that I tried to learn the story. I try to learn and try to speak the English language with the help of the story. And now I am getting day by day the results of this risks. So remember my words and just go on. If you are thinking that you will speak, you will practice the English language but not practicing it, then how it will be? Risks are very important. And in every ways, doesn't matter in which category you want to be successful in your life. But if you don't have risks, then you don't have a brighter and a good future. Please remember, if you don't take anything very risky, then you can't learn anything, you can't become anything, and you can't get or have anything. So always try to take some risks, but there is also an important thing that you have and you need to take the risks. Do you know what? It is the purpose. Okay, if you don't have any purpose in your life, then how you can take the risks? Because it doesn't mean that I say to everyone risks is very important. That's why in every moment you will take some risks, you will think about the risks. Okay, the risks are necessary, but for what you will take the risks? For the purpose. So in our life, the purpose is very important. We people, we don't have purpose, we don't have correct purpose. And I made my previous video about the purpose, so in the last moment of this video you can see the video. The video is very beneficial video for everyone. I explained what is the purpose, what is the importance of the purpose, like the risks. It will be very helpful for you. And guys, try to understand and try to remember that, do you know a girl whose name was Wilma Rudolph? Wilma Rudolph was the fastest runner in her time in 1960s Olympics, and she was the 3 gold medalist. But it will be and it may be very simple for a number of people, but when I will tell you a thing, you will be very shocked. And the thing is that Wilma Rudolph was paralyzed by one leg, and she could not walk after born because she was attacked by the polio. Doctor said that she can't walk again and run again in her life. But what and how she just achieved this title, the fastest runner in the world, you can find out from this video. It is very beneficial video, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that all of you learned a lot from this video. And guys, please subscribe, please like, please just hit the bell icon for this type of more new English related videos, and also for new and very beneficial advice related videos. Thank you guys. Like and comment a very beneficial and also very motivational comment. Bye bye.